let's talk about method overriding right here. So this is the class we had in our last video here. We got a person class and we got the class of John right here, which is inheriting this person class. Now, as you know, because we're inheriting right here, this person class onto this John class, we have access to this greeting. So when we run this, we're going to instantiate it and then run it right here. You see we get the hello coming from this person class and inherited into this John class. So that is all well and good, but we can also override the various parent classes here. So right now we're inheriting this greeting from this person class right here, but let's come up here and we'll come in and we'll say def, and we can say greeting, and again passing self like this. And if we go like this, and now instead of print hello, let's just say print hey like this. Go ahead and save that. Now we're going to override this inherited class above. So if we run this time, you can see we get hey instead of hello. So that is how you override a method in Python. One note is that with inheritance, you really got to watch out not to inherit too many levels deep, because this logic can start to get complex when you start inheriting from one class to another and going down the tree. So it's best to keep them relatively limited in scope.